Hi there, welcome to Grain TV. I'm Kevin McNew. It's Thursday, February 17th. We had a down day in grains. Let's take a look at the Grain Edge trading platform and see where we closed. In Chicago, wheat was the leader to the downside, giving up 6 1/4. Corn and beans fared a little better, with corn giving up 1 3/4 and beans off 2 3/4. Today was a pretty light day for news. USDA's export sales report is held over until tomorrow because of the holiday shortened week. The news out this morning was, however, supportive, at least for corn, with another flash sale announced by USDA, this time 106,000 metric tons to Costa Rica. That marks 600,000 metric tons that the USDA has announced in their flash sales reporting system in the last week and a half. So that is providing at least some underlying support, maybe not necessarily catapulting this market higher, but getting us off the lows that we established about a week and a half ago. Other news out today, EIA ethanol numbers. Those too were a mixed bag. Ethanol production was up 6,000 barrels per day to 975,000 barrels per day average over the week. Meanwhile, stocks of ethanol continue to grow. That's 3 weeks in a row up. This week we were up 262,000 barrels to 23.2 million barrels. Yet again, a new record for ethanol carryout. So overall, the ethanol market continues to struggle with supplies continuing to build in inventory. Other news after the close, Egypt was back in the market tendering for more wheat. As we've talked about in the last month, we've seen Egypt get very stingy about their requirements on wheat imports, and that has caused a lot of companies to not tender for that business. So Egypt continues to try and find some participants that will bid on delivering wheat to them. Let's turn back to the soybean market. We talked about this yesterday, and we talked about the underlying support we have around 875 based on where we gapped higher coming into this week, and that's held up this entire week. Yesterday we established an 885 high on yesterday's high activity. Today was really just a consolidation. You can see on this 4-hour chart from the Grain Hedge trading platform how we've consolidated. And today we did touch down around 878, but bounced off of that to close somewhere around the 880 mark. So overall, look for those key barometers as we get into the weekend on Friday. Will we be able to surge up to that 885 mark? I think it's going to take maybe a good export number on tomorrow morning's USDA sales report. We continue to have expectations of a large crop from South America. There is some shipping delays there that continue to be problematic, but overall it's difficult to get this market rallied without some noticeable demand surges, and we may need to see those in tomorrow's report to clear that 885 mark. That's all we got on Grain TV. By all means, contact us at Grain Hedge if you are interested in learning about our marketing services, 877-472-4607, or as always, visit us online at grainhedge.com.